We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Barton 6.4ft Wrought Iron Ornament Display Christmas Hooks, for ornaments small craft items tree, easy assembly and stand, color gold. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Beautiful holiday centerpiece. This stylish metal ornament stand is an elegant piece of Christmas decor. It is a unique substitute for a traditional Christmas tree due to space or rental restrictions. Plus, it is completely maintenance-free with no watering or cleaning up pine needles. Elegant metal craftsmanship. This lovely piece is made of metal with beautifully shaped hooks to showcase delicate or sentimental ornaments and an intricate round metal base for dependable stability. Easy to assemble. Barton metal tree ornament holder includes everything needed for assembly and is simple to put together. Beautiful display stand celebrate any holiday season. Our unique ornament display tree is wonderful for showcasing Christmas, Halloween, or Easter ornaments and other decorations. Multiple hooks. Each ornament tree features multiple hooks to hang ornaments or crafts. Each hook has an elegantly designed swirl to hold the ornament. Note: ornaments or light not included. Image is for illustration purposes only. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.